Found out last time we were away with the Caravan. There's water leaking from this joint here. That's where the tap pivots. So I need to get access to remove the top parts. So I've already loosened this wee bit off. Pull that out of there, and there's an Allen key in there somewhere. I'm just going to find out what size. Turns out that was a 2.5mm Allen key. As you can see, the wee grub screw in there, you don't have to take it right out, so best to retain it in there so you don't lose it. That's the top off of there, that's your wee opening mechanism there. So now this top bit unscrews. We need to go and get a shifter. Undo that brass bolt there, and then hopefully this wee cartridge will slip out no problem. Just slacken this off. Remove that. And that's your cartridge. Next, the replacement one. The base of them has got two wee lugs down the bottom there, and there should be coinciding locating bits within that. I just gave that a wee wipe, but I don't think there's any debris in it anyway. Put that in there, screw that down, and hopefully that'll stop the issue. That's it back together, cartridge in, brass collar screwed in, the wee top bit, the tap I forgot about, it's left a gap there, so remember that top bit, and then tap back on. Tightened up the Allen bolt, the grub screw, whatever you want to call it, and put the wee hot and cold symbol back on. Can't mind if the cold was on the right or the left, but that's the least of worries. See if this will stop the leak anyway, it'll be great if it does. Right, moment of truth. Pumps on, master's on. Definitely bone dry. He's okay. Excellent. That's just a wee video of the label. 35mm ceramic cartridge, sorry, and the 35mm relates to the width of it there. I think they do come in different heights, including the wee toggle on the top, but most of them seem generic, so that worked alright for us. A CT901. If that's any help, good luck.